Say bye to Alexa because your new household helper might just walk, talk, and fold your laundry. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Palo Alto startup 1X stunned tech fans Tuesday by unveiling Neo, a sleek humanoid robot designed to do your chores, chat with you, and learn new tasks, all while operating quieter than a refrigerator. Neo isn't just another smart gadget, it's a complete home companion. Being 66 pounds itself, this AI-powered humanoid can lift up to 154 pounds, glide around safely thanks to a patented tendon drive system, and move its hands with up to 22 degrees. It has a soft 3D lattice polymer body with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G, while AI lets it hold conversations, recall context, and obey voice commands. Laundry, folded, shelves, organized, rooms, clean. And if Neo is given a task it doesn't know, owners can bring in a 1X expert to teach it, making your robot smarter over time. 1X VP Dar Sleeper said, Neo is a humanoid companion designed to transform your life at home. Its quiet, low-energy motions make it uniquely safe, while its AI brings intelligence into everyday chores. Neo is available on a $499 monthly subscription or a $20,000 one-time purchase with just a $200 deposit to reserve. Neo isn't the only humanoid robot out there. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, Rich Tech, Robotics, and China's Unitree are all building robots for work and logistics. But 1X is focusing on homes where safety, trust, and usefulness really matter. 1X founder Bernd Bornick said, eventually Neo will be fully autonomous and help with anything around the house. The Neo you get today will only get better. Looks like the age of robot housemates is here, and it might just help you clean up your mess. Are you ready to get your own humanoid helper? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.